Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar, and this is a cool song to present for you guys. Florence The Machine, one of the greatest. Okay, so before we go into this tutorial, I just want to highlight this guitar. Yes, if you follow me here, you probably heard me talking about this guitar. It's from Anchor Guitars, and that is just because I can really stand behind this brand. I have a couple of these guitars. I mainly play this one on this channel, but yeah, if you want to have this one, it's very affordable already. Use my coupon code GORINGUitar10. It's 10% off from an already very great deal, and you will have a very good guitar, obviously, because I'm using it on this channel. So go and grab one if you want this good looking cool from Anchor Guitars. Now let's go into one of the greatest. All right, very cool song, different, a little bit dark and mysterious. We're gonna learn the chords, and as you can see here, no need for any capo. Let's just go right into it. So we're gonna start with the D sus2/A. Okay, so that's mainly a D sus2 chord, but we're gonna incorporate the open A string as well. You're gonna see that in many of these chords we have this darker version of the original chords. So the grip goes open A, open D, second G, third B, and open E. That's the D sus2. Then we have the D7 sus2 with this A incorporated. So you just have to switch fingers like this from this grip to this. All right, so again, it's open A, open D, second G, and now first B and open E. So therefore I'm using my mid finger here on the second G string, and then I have my ring finger around and my index as well on the other side. All right, some technical stuff there. Let's move on with the F chord. That's a bar, so place the index finger on the first fret, you push down all strings there. Then you need to add third A, third D, and second G. We also got the A minor, and that will be open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Then we have the CG chord. Again, this thing going on here with the standard C chord, but with the G notes added to it, so it gets darker. So you will have the third fret E string, third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. And the final chord will be the same grip. I just go one fret up towards my body. So I will call this C#/G#, all right? So I take the exact same grip and just move everything one fret inwards, and you'll land at this position, C/G#. Okay, so there we have all the chords. Now let's learn the strumming pattern. So it's like this with the D sus/A chord. Okay, so you're gonna play that slowly, okay? So you're gonna play on the downs, and in total you're gonna play 7 downs to start with. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then comes down up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then down up. Okay, so that is one round, and maybe you notice I'm playing on the bass string sometimes, and then sometimes on the top strings. Okay, so to get the right or cool effects, you can also add that one in, and then you're gonna play on the bass strings for the first 3 downs. And then on the 4th down, you go down on the top strings. And then you go back to the bass strings for another 2 downs. And then you finish off on the top strings with down, down, up. And that's one round, so slowly. Okay, so a couple rounds. Now, let's go into the song. And we have a chord progression I'm gonna take you through first. And then from 1 minute and 9 seconds in, we're gonna have just one short chord progression that goes from that point on till the very end. So the starting point here, that is where things are happening, so to speak, and then we're gonna go into some very neutral when you just play the same, okay? So we're gonna start with the D sus2, 1 string round. Then you go to the D7 sus2, 1 string round. Then you play F1 and A minor 1. We're gonna play that first, so okay. Then we're gonna play the D sus2/A for 2 string rounds, then C G1 and the C sharp C G sharp 1. That's the first half of this from where I'm speaking right now. And then you're gonna go into the D sus for 2 string rounds again, then C G1 and A minor 1. Then you play that again, that part where you play the D sus2, C G2, the C sharp 1. And then D sus2, C G1 and A minor 1. So that will be to repeat 2 times. I'm gonna play 1 round for you, and this part where I'm playing right now, you're gonna play for 2 rounds. So it goes like this. Okay, I play 1 round for you. You're gonna double up for 2 rounds, and that is this package of chord progressions that happens in the beginning. Okay, and from now on, you're gonna play in the same way, and we're now about 1 minute and 9 seconds in. You're gonna play the D sus 1, F1, A minor 1, and C G1. And you play that for I don't know how many rounds from now on till the very end. So a couple of rounds goes like this. Again, D sus, F, A minor, C G. And there you have it, guys. Florence the Machine does this very cool, one of the greatest. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this, guys. It's a cool song to learn on guitar. A little different, I'm aware of that, but if you're a fan of this kind of music, this a little bit experimental forms of performing music on, then this will be cool to learn on guitar. So good luck, guys. Hope to see you soon, and play tuned.